So by far the coolest one I've done so far. I love this wrap. I love the fade. In fact, I'm wearing a matching sweatshirt. This turned out so good. So we've tinted the windows really dark on the front ones, and then we did 80% on the windshield. This looks so good. The fading from satin black to satin white looks so good. He brought this print to me, so I just had to put it on. What do you guys think of this? Do you like the look of the fade? I do. We have to do it all in one piece on the side. I'm gonna show you that. But the back half is satin black, and I'll show you that later on why I went satin black with that one, because I'll show you the vinyl. So they had this printed, and this is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna fade from satin black to satin white, and it looks kind of gray on here, but this looks amazing, and all the rolls are right here. So that is why I went satin black on the back, and I'll give you more details why. So it's already washed, but we've tinted the windows dark up front here, and now we're getting ready to do the windshield. I'm gonna put that in, obviously, on the windshield. We do a lot of prep to do that. We take off the cameras, obviously cleaning a lot. And then once he's done there, we're gonna back it up under the lights here. All these so we can see everything, and then I'm gonna set up the camera so you can see the full side on how we put that on there. It's a cool process to see the whole side done instead of each individual panels like you've seen me do before. But we have to get done today, and Andrew's leaving for vacation, so we have till 1 o'clock to get both sides done, and then I can finish up the front area, and then it's pretty much done. But plus put it back together, wrap it up and everything, and he's going to take it home tomorrow for Thanksgiving. So we got to get going. So this side is almost done. I got to trim out everything. Super stressful to do this because it's one giant sticker. Yes, the truck is flat, but not really, because it does bow out a little bit and it's curved in. So this is the highest spot here, and I got to fix this. Once I trim this, I can pop this out and get that wrinkle out. That's not a problem. And it looks really cool. I love the fade. So now we're setting up the other side. I'll show you a little bit of the setup. I'm not going to show you the stressful part of us crying as we're putting it on, but basically we're going to start at this end and work our way down, and going to make the other side look like this side, or all the way around. Make this side look like the other side, and then trim out everything, and both sides are done. The tailgate's already done, but I wanted to show you, this is what has happened now on 2 CyberTrucks. This panel is popped loose, and I pulled this off to see if I can bolt it together, but the glue is actually failing. And now this is the second one. I don't know if they tried to fix it with this foam tape here, but yeah, this is not good. There's 2 pieces here, and then there's one back in here which holds it tight to the camera. So what I did was, instead of using the print that matches perfectly to the other side, I just put satin black here. It actually matches really good. It's almost the same thing, and that way I don't have to use the print if they replace this whole tailgate for me. But he'll have to get that done. that went very smooth. Everything's pretty much down. I gotta trim out everything and tuck everything around the corners, and we gotta do the bottom half. I wait till the very end to do that, but trim everything out. The rest of this is trade secrets, and I'll show you this outside because this thing is gonna look great out in the sun. Hopefully I get it done while the sun's out because he's picking up tomorrow morning. So if you're interested in getting your wrap done, I use 3M or Avery Dennison for vinyl, and a wrap only starts at $2,500 if I buy the material. He brought the material in, so I only charge $2,000 to install your material. This is a little bit more tricky, as you saw with it. You have to do the full one piece on the side because it's a print, but prices start at 2,500 bucks. We could do something custom, or we could do something crazy. Plus tint, plus ceramic coating, plus there's all these options. We can do everything in-house all at once. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. See ya.